The Second Industrial Revolution, also known as the Technological Revolution, was a period in which the emergence of oil and electric power led to incredible inventions and changes in everyday life. In 1859, the first source of oil was discovered in the United States. It immediately began to be used as a driving force, and with the invention of the petrol engine and its improvement by Nicolaus Otto in 1876, the use of oil began primarily in transportation. The first automobiles with petrol engines appeared in 1885, Germans Karl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler. In 1896, the German Rudolf Diesel invented an engine that runs on diesel. The construction of long-distance maritime routes and transcontinental railway lines also became widespread. Inventions also related to aviation: Ferdinand von Zeppelin, Zeppelin, Wright brothers 1903, plane with double wings. Other inventions that characterized this period include 1879 Thomas Alva Edison, electric light bulb, 1887 Nikola Tesla, alternating current motor. Also, Tesla's invention of multi-phase currents and transformers enabled the cheap transmission of electricity over long distances. Another significant feature of the Second Industrial Revolution was the emergence of mass production on the assembly line, for which the American Henry Ford was responsible at the beginning of the 20th century. The American physicist Alexander Graham Bell constructed the first usable telephone. In 1902, the first radio message was sent from Great Britain to France. It was the beginning of radio, whose basics were discovered by Heinrich Rudolf Hertz. The development of science and medicine in this period, for which Alfred Nobel, Robert Koch, Albert Einstein, Pierre and Marie Curie, Louis Pasteur, Charles Darwin, and many others were most responsible, should also not be overlooked.